Hey there. Are you accomplishing everything that you said you would accomplish? Are you living the life you said you'd live? My guess is you're not. And let me give you something. It's a quick tip. I think you'll be amazed at what it is. And I learned this. I was doing workshops in a different town, and I would go once a month, get my clients together in a room. We would do some brainstorming, do some mastermindings, do some learning, work on each other's businesses. We still do it now. In fact, I've incorporated that back in it, but this is where I learned it, this thing. And I call it the power of three. And what I noticed was at the end of every session, I'd say, all right, what are the top 3 things that you're going to get done between now and our next meeting in a month? And everybody would write down their top 3 things that they wanted to accomplish. And I'd come back in a month, and next thing I'd know, pretty much they were accomplishing it. They were getting 3 out of 3. Most of them were getting 3 out of 3. Some of them were getting 2 out of 3 and were halfway done with the third. Some of them got all 3 done the first week. You know, my friend Bob stood up one time and he said, I am just amazed at how often, sometimes I don't even look at these 3 things, but every time it happens. It's called the power of 3. So here's what you do. I want you to write down right now the top 3 things you want to get done in the next month. You got to put it in writing because we all know if it's not written, it's not real. And write them down, look at them daily if you need to. And I will challenge you, and I want to hear your stories about how successful you are at getting those 3 things done. Now, let's face it. If you get 3 major things done every month, that's 36 things in a year. You and I both know your business is going to be much, much improved, likely much, much bigger. Because we all know the compounding effect. If you can get 2% better every week, it's going to be more than 100% better everything. And this Power 3 is going to help you do it. Use the Power 3 to make your life and your business better. Hey, if you'd like some help with your Power 3, coming up with strategies and tactics to help you get where you want to go, just reach out to me. I'd love to be of service. Hey, and until next time, all the best.